Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood legend. No longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, saying congratulations to everyone who started credit repair this beginning of the month. It's already February 20th. Now, we're doing a lot of business credit. A lot of you are a business owner. Many of you are truck drivers, or many of you have either a transportation company from Uber or Lyft drivers, or you want to rent your cars and you need more vehicles. A lot of transportation people contact me. Eventually, yes, the jobs out there that is the most is truck driver. I mean, there was research done, and a lot of truck drivers in all over the United States. That's the most popular job, is being a truck driver. But anyways, actually doing credit repair should be popular too. This video is brought to you by our business credit program, because many of you, like I said, are business owners and you want to eventually build business credit to separate your personal credit to your business credit. So many of you are starting the process, a 6-month process. We promise to get you at least $40,000 in business credit into your business credit profile, so that in about 6 months you'll be out there going to go get no PG funding, whether it's a lines of credit or gas card, or even if you need a vehicle in your business name, we can definitely help you do that. So you watched another results video right now coming up, as many of you have been getting fast results. So I just want to say thank you for trusting in GizzyCredit team to helping you out with your credit goals. Let's start the video. Enjoy your day. Hey, what's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out credit repair results to this customer who is the mother of a current customer that I have. She started back in November. Already February the 3rd, the 2nd, she got results. Everything removed from her Equifax, including bankruptcies. Let's look inside of her report and see what she had before and scores. So we go right here, reports, and we go to October 28th. If we could see 10/28, bankruptcy, negative accounts, collections. Let's look inside of the bankruptcies. As we can see, this customer had a whole bunch of bankruptcies. As you can see, discharge chapter 13 on the credit file. They did one on in 2013, 2014, 2015, and of course the negative accounts on Transunoin. As you can see, there was one negative account plus the bankruptcies. Now this customer is from Pompano Beach, Florida. This is her report, and as we can see right up here, report 10/28. We're going to look at report from February 4th, and we're going to see no more public records, no more negative accounts. As you can see, credit repair is in binary, where it's not black and white. Well, it's not like one color. It deals in heavy shades of gray. So the previous video that you just saw, I was able to remove everything from Transunoin in 1 day. This November, December, January, 3 months, 90 days. Like I tell people many times, let's look at her report to now, February 4th. As you can see, everything removed. Not only that, let's look at scores. And from the scores, we will see the scores is 711. Previous score 642. So an increase of what, 80 something points, 60 something points in 3 months. Her Equifax is now done. Good for her. So now it's all about seeing what her Transunoin and Experian results were. We're working each bureau. So we work on all 3 bureaus, but for now, for Equifax, her file is done. So like I said before, many of you could get results. It's just a process to get you those results. It's not just sending one letter that's going to give you the results. It's the results of coming to this round of letters that got these results. So I just want you guys to understand that, so you guys could have it in your head that this is going to be a process. Whether you do it, whether I do it, or whether you give the responsibility to someone else to do it for you. Anyways, my people, your boy GizzyCredit here. If you like these videos, remember, support the channel. My Cash App info is below. Helped out many people since 2009 and will continue to help. You already know. You want to contact me through email, GizzyCredit@GizzyCredit.com. All my info is below. Enjoy your day.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plan.